Well, I guess what hurt me most of all, you were playing with my heart. Tell me, why am I emotional when I knew it from the start? And tell me, why does my heart burn when I see your face? You have made your decision, put me in my place, and the lies you've been hiding, taking up your space. Tell me, why does my heart burn this way when I see your face? When I see your face. All this time you left me wanting more, had me swallowing all of my pride. Wonder where this part of you came from. It was hidden in the shallow of your eyes.